In January, I underwent major abdominal surgery in London, and at the time, it was thought that my condition was non-cancerous. The surgery was successful. However, tests after the operation found cancer had been present.
The livid cancer spread its hideous claws, clinging upon thy breasts, seeking to strike thee deep within. Consumption of the worst, moral consumption, shall rouge thy face with hectic, but thou shalt face thy fortunes, thy diseases, and surmount them all, whatever they are today, and whatever through time they may be. They each and all shall lift and pass away and cease from thee, while thou, time spirals rounding out of thyself still extricating, fusing, equable, natural, mystical union, thou, the mortal with immortal blent, shall soar towards the fulfillment of the future, the spirit of the body and the mind, the soul, its destiny.